Alright, so we have something right here. That looks cool. Pivot, we want the monitor below. We're going to have the various quick second material here. Which is going to be this one again. And I'm going to start with the space. I'm going to do it here. And now, I'm going to plug in the ignition. And we have the resistance speed, so I'm going to go to lightning mode. Going to go here. So we're going to move down the boom. We're going to increase the light.
Hey, no chance, man. Oh, man.
Okay, so I've already modeled that. Let's say that we want this one to be a little bit longer, or a little bit darker, than like okay, so we have this speed, and it's already in color.
I can understand na gagawin ko siya.
Okay, so let's try to add some details. I'm gonna ignore the rollers
Can
for
just say na, oh, I
because
this
we're
part
running
is
out of time. So I'm gonna
Which
make
you
this.
can say that pag may
And I'm going to make this slots here. So I'm going to go for double I, this, and then I'm going to
inspiration
anticipate this. Down, over the back, and we already have this slot. So it's going to be there we go. Now we have something. And let's continue. Let's continue.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. So I'm going to add that double on the side. Alright? So we're going to add the double on the side. I'm going to
This is my imagination.
double that a little bit. Okay? Into this. And it's over. Push it down. Yeah, we have the level. It's right here. I'm going to push that level to create some
So parang
stuff like that. So we're running really fast. We're speed running this.
Like 1 minute.
Alright, so what's next? We have time to make keyboard. We have time. Okay.
Like 1 minute, yeah.
Okay, 5 minutes. Alright, we got time. We got time. Alright, scale. Push forward. Okay, let's go for W. So this is
Wala na. So one of the things na gusto ko is like,
okay, so we have something for us next year.
alam mo, kasi alam mo, it was inspired na parang one time na nag-COVID, it was really
We're going to do this. We're going to put it right there. Alright. So, my
Oh, yeah.
so we're going to do this. Very quickly. So,
Kasi
again,
yung internet, bawal silang mag-set based on the skills nila. So I wanna see how that works.
this is right here. That is right. Okay. So, so we're going to have a piece. So let's just, because this is let's make it
Kasi mga prompts. Yung mga prompts na
let's go with some like a piece. Right here.
Like ano, SVG.
okay.
And what I'm going to do is
Health related.
So not related is the
let's
existence.
do that.
Pero if possible, sana like on the stage.
Give us a line of spaces.
Go
Go ahead, go ahead.
When people are looking at this, and they're like, oh, that's just what normal 3D modelers do. That's so surprised. No, it's actually like, I'm actually surprised that a lot of 3D modelers don't even know how to do actual cube modeling. So this one side is talking about workflow and for and since I do this a lot more than this is just a restore programs.
So,
I think before you natawa ko sa CSE at that time.
so now we have a keyboard for this thing.
See.
Next, if I want to make it a little bit more fancy, then I'm going to get ambient occlusion. Going to do this. So, mix color.
I have an issue.
And we're going to go for multiply, Photoshop. You know about the layers, right? Who knows layers in Photoshop? Yeah, that's the mix mode in Blender. That's it.
I learned that
Just
from
pare-parehas.
Ayun na tayo.
Let's see if we're going to activate. And I'm in the conclusion, we already have a lot of details going on here. So if you want to use the detail, come around.
And then, also may you see freshman page. Diba ang physically they are so noisy. Kahit magaling sa
Wait, pero
kasi maingay sa labas na ligan tayo sa mga. So ayun. Using freshman ang cool na rin sa kanila. Ba't ito maraming
next topic.
everybody
Your favorite place.
Isang dami ko kaya na may technique.
Good. Spot this on your head.
like ayaw mo ka lighting.
Clap for my shiny head.
I mean, di ba yun nga yung naging reason kung bakit nahanap niya ng cheating? Kasi yung sa asset management.
Diba? Guys, hindi ko nakita yun. I'm prepared, guys.
I'm prepared, guys.
Natawa talaga ako. Pumunta yung
Teacher na rin.
The one who committed the justification was you. You're the one who suddenly popped in and spilled shit about us. That's you.
Goodbye to your writing in yung
Tapos, yung writing in yung media, pero kung
Okay.